What's up YouTube, this is how to set up the OBS and Twitch in less than 5 minutes. Go to Twitch, create account, download the program called OBS and install it easy. Open it up and here we go. Press settings, go to stream, you will have button to connect to the Twitch, press the button, press accept and so on, and that's it. If you want you can go to YouTube, Facebook, but we're going to Twitch. Select the server that is closest to your location. Okay, let's go to output, go to streaming, go to output, go to advanced, go to CBR, put 3500, press the button, use custom buffer 3500, that's it. Let's go to audio. For the desktop, select the default, or if you know which one, select this is the audio of the game and everything that you play on the Windows. Go to the microphone, select the default, or if you know which one, select one. Go to the video 180, 180, 60 if you have fast internet, if you don't, go lower. That's it, I press apply and OK, I'm gonna press cancel because this is. Go to the view, go to the docs, press chat, stream, Twitch. You will see it like this one. Hold it, put it here and release. I mean, this is the Twitch. You can set up the title, go to the live notification. When you go live, everyone that follows you will see this message. Put category, put text, press update info, that's it. You chat on the right so you can see what's happening and the stats, how many people are watching you and so on. That's it. Okay, so this is the scenes. Hold it, press right click, press rename, make game scene for example. Okay, let's go forward, let's go here and you press the game capture, which is right here, and press OK. Select the second one and the game have to be running. In this case it's Among Us. You have to open the game and now select the game and press OK. Easy as this. If you have web camera, go here and press a video capture and that's it. You select your webcam right here in case this, but because I'm recording right now I will insert image instead. Let's say that this is your web camera. Easy as that. Hold the edges, resize, hold it and put camera whenever you would like. This is basically pretty much, but I think you want more. So I'm gonna open this one. This is the streamlabs.com. Go here, press dashboard, or if you're not already logged in, it's gonna show you as connected to Twitch. Go to the all widgets. Here are all the widgets that you can insert into OBS. One of the most important is alert box here. Now go here, you will see this button right here. It's called alert box disabled because I'm gonna use the old version. Now you have this copy button. This is gonna copy the whatever this is. Go to the OBS, press new, put browser, put like alert and put here your code and put specific IC line, press OK, that's it, you have it, it's invisible right now, but let's release it. The next one is the most useful, is the chat. Not, oh, it's a big button, yeah, it's chat box right here. Copy this one, copy, go to the OBS, press again, we're gonna go to browser, gonna go to chat, enter, gonna put the code, enter, that's it, we have chat. Now if I say hey in chat, it's gonna show up here into the chat box as far as you can see right here. So you can see the chat on the screen. After you do all of this inside, it's easy as that. You press start streaming and all will work perfectly. The alert box will notify when someone follow you, subscribe, or put some beats and whatever all out. And let's go shortly. The last one is for donation. You can go to settings, you can put your PayPal inside, and there is another one, it's called. Okay, so after you set the PayPal, press here tip page and wait a second to download. Easy as that. Go to the main and here is your link. Press it and put it inside the Twitch and people will be able to donate it via this web page. Okay, so the last one, go to twitch.com, press this page, go to settings because you have to change. Put this display name, put some bio here with this and put the banner so when you're gonna stream people will be able to see. Let's go to your channel. Okay, basically you go to about. Okay, press about, go here the edit panels and you can easily add a new one. You can press plus, here you put an image on the top and put some text down below. Once you complete, you can simply save it up and people will be able to see it like this. So that's basically it guys, that's completely how to set OBS with Twitch. My name is Nejc Filipič and see you next time, goodbye.